Hi everyone, this is Ivy Crearts and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to make binangkal. So my measurements actually are doubled because I wanted to make a lot of binangkal. So I have 4 cups of flour, half cup of cornstarch, and then I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and then we have sugar, 1 cup, and then 1 cup of milk plus 2 tablespoons extra, and then half teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, and our sesame seeds. So first we are just going to add all the dry ingredients: flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. We're going to add it all together, and then add the sugar, milk, egg, and then oil, and then until sugar is dissolved, and mix them all together. So first we're going to add all the dry ingredients. So flour, we have baking powder, salt, and then cornstarch. Next we have sugar, and then add in the milk, and then we are going to dissolve the sugar. So once the sugar is totally dissolved, we are going to add in our milk and oil. We are going to add the 2 So we're just going to wait until it turns golden brown, and sometimes as you notice that the balls are submerged in the oil, and then when it's ready and cooked, it will actually float on top of the oil. So let's just wait. Now it's golden brown, so we have to turn it upside down. And then just going to put it into medium. Alright. Now we can add some more. Yes, we still have space. Para di-isa yung ang kalayot. So notice the binangkal will actually float. Nalutaw na siya sa oil. Tapos lapit na siya maluto. Kaya ni-expand naman bigla siya. So medyo nagaan-gaan na siya. Muna siya ma-float. Amazing lang kayo, no? Okay. Kanara po dira mo kahit ang mabungkot ba? Ibabaw. Kaso lang, ang mga sesame seeds niya, pangtang, sayang. I wish siya matangtang, kaya ganda ba akong bitang original milk. It's fully coated with sesame seeds. But it's okay. So, paano mo ito siya golden brown. So, halos. Medyo daghan, kaya sayang ang oil. So, like I said, just cut the ingredients into half if you don't wanna make a lot. And look at this. So the original is 1 tablespoon scoop, like that. So you can see the size. But when it's cooked, it's, let's see, almost doubled the size. Look, almost doubled the size, right? So if you want it like not too big, then you can again cut it into half. So, kanilo po na siya. Yeah. Hindi na po na ito ipapagod mayo. Pero, we wanna make sure na luto din sa ilalim. So, okay na siya medyo brown-brown siya sa gawas. Yeah, ragan akong giluto kay mga good snacks. Uy, kasayang sa sesame seeds. Oh, yun. Hindi siya magigila. Sayang sesame seeds. And last batch. Here we go. So, 3, 4, and 5. Ayan. So, na siya sa ilalim, diba? Tapos, nilugdang siya sa ilalim, tapos malutaran siya pag maluto. Alright, this is our last batch, so we can turn it off and just keep it there for a while, just to cook it even more. Thanks for watching!